Are you ready to turn your everyday smartphone activities into a rewarding experience? In this video, we'll explore how you can earn real rewards just by doing what you love, playing games, watching videos, and taking surveys. Imagine transforming those moments of boredom into exciting opportunities for earning gift cards or cash. Don't miss out on this chance to make your screen time more profitable. Tune in now and learn how to start earning effortlessly today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. We are always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so we can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Want to get paid for having fun? Meet Boints, the mobile app that turns your gaming time into cash. Whether you're playing games, completing offers, or joining tournaments, there are endless ways to rack up rewards. Plus, it's super easy to sign up and start earning right away. The easiest way to make some cash with Boints is by playing their featured mobile games. They've teamed up with a well-known provider, Playtime, to bring these games to their members. Another way to make some extra cash is by doing paid offers. Basically, these are tasks you do to earn rewards. Most of the time, you'll be playing other mobile games, answering surveys, watching videos, or signing up for free trials. It's a pretty straightforward way to boost your income. You can finally make some passive income with the referral program. Just share your referral link with anyone you want to invite. When they click on it, install the app, and finish signing up, they're officially your referral. The best part? Every time they earn on the app, you'll snag 10% of their earnings as a reward. Imagine turning your downtime into dollars while enjoying your favorite games with friends. With Boints, you'll not only have a blast, but also enjoy the thrill of watching your rewards stack up, cash out straight to PayPal, and treat yourself. Download Boints today and start making money while you play. Don't miss out on the fun. Get in on the action now. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.